What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a quick how-to video on how to change your clutch slave cylinder on a 2011 to 2013 Ducati Monster 1100 Evo. So as you see, I've upgraded to the Ducati red milled unit right here. This is a 30-minute job if you have the right tools and a bleeder. But it took my friend and I a few hours because we had to backtrack, and a lot of the videos on YouTube don't really show one critical component that during the installation you have to make sure of. It is actually in the instructions, however it's not laid out clearly, and I will show you the part right now. So this is the OEM Ducati Clutch Slave Cylinder. It is usually oriented like this on the bike. So all of the instructions do say to remove and do not reinstall this rubber plastic piece. But when we were taking apart the bike or taking this out, it was still kind of stuck onto the rod in the clutch. So we had no idea that this had to be removed when installing an aftermarket clutch slave cylinder. So my friend and I installed the Ducati unit with this on the rod. So once I tried to start the bike and it go to neutral to first, it would not engage any gears, because obviously the hydraulic was trying to push the rod to engage the clutch, but this was blocking it. So we took it apart and I looked at some of the videos and I looked at the instructions again. So when you are installing this or you're taking this out and you're upgrading to a new clutch slave cylinder on a 2011 to 2013 Ducati Monster, and probably many other Ducatis after 2002, do not install the new upgraded clutch slave cylinder with this black plastic piece. Save yourself some time, probably like an hour of just grief and trying to backtrack. If you're mechanically inclined and you already know this is obvious to you, sorry for taking your 2 minutes. But if you're new to wrenching like I am, this took probably 2 hours when it should have taken us 30 minutes or less. All right, later. Have a great July 4th weekend.